News now coming in. Russian President Vladimir Putin has today said that China, India and Brazil could act as mediators in potential peace talks over Ukraine. Putin has said that a preliminary agreement has been reached between the Russian and the Ukrainian negotiators in the first weeks of the war, and those talks were happening in Istanbul, but they were never implemented. Akanksha, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details. Akanksha, significant comment there, a statement coming in from Vladimir Putin. This is just ahead of the BRICS summit that Russia is hosting this year.
Absolutely, and very rightly highlighted by you when you are talking about that preliminary agreement that was arrived upon both the countries, the warring nations in Istanbul. But remember, it had happened right at a very nascent stage when we all know that the war had just taken off in Ukraine back in February in 2022. But as you also highlighted, that this is just before the BRICS summit, not to forget the fact that the Russian president has also referred to members of the BRICS nations, which are basically Russia, China, even Brazil and India. And the timing is very crucial. We know that the Prime Minister will also be, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be at the UNG in the coming days, not to forget the fact that he's already been to Moscow in July and, of course, very much in Ukraine in August. And we've seen how these peace overtures have been made between Moscow and Kiev, to which both the countries have, in fact, Ukraine and Russia have shown their willingness to be part of. China, at the same time, has been talking about a peace plan which really has not been implemented. But as the Indian External Affairs Minister, Dr. S. Jaishankar in Ukraine, had highlighted that India has always been involved with the conflict ever since it began in 2022, whether it is ensuring that the Black Sea grain deal takes place or Indian medics are present there to assist Ukrainians hurt in the war. India has very much been part of the peace talks or the idea of the peace talks which have been floated. And Prime Minister Modi has only ensured, remember, he's also updated the US President Joe Biden about possibility of peace during that phone conversation. At the same time, I'd also like to tell people what this preliminary peace agreement could have been like. This will ensure that Ukraine remains a neutral state, with the guarantors being UK and the United States and even Russia. So it would be interesting to see what will be the broad contours of a peace plan if one were to come upon one.
Akanksha, thank you so much for getting us more perspective on that. We'll keep a track of what's happening there as far as the Russia-Ukraine war is concerned. That and much more coming up on the other side of a very quick break on this edition. Don't go anywhere.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV18 on all the social media platforms.